I've never unboxed a new Tomei, brand new out of the box Tomei. Here we go. Ow. Oh my gosh, I have never unboxed a Tomei. There's a box inside another box. Okay. So before you ask the age-old question, where do you get the Tomei? I got it from SoCallZ.net. It is a website where you can basically buy every single car part you want for your car. From exhausts, to intakes, to tires, to wheels, to air suspension. Anything and everything you can think of that is out of stock in other websites, they mostly have it. I hit them up and they sent it out right away. Check them out. Link will be in the description. Huge thank you to SoCallZ. Oh my god. Sheesh Louise, buddy. Okay, I'm guessing this is a mid-pipe. Like literally every single Z-part, G-part, whatever you want to buy, check out their website. The website link will be in the description. Follow them on Instagram, tell them oh, I just saw the tip. Are you guys ready? Look at the tip comes. You know it's serious when the tip comes in its own packaging. Oh my, brand stinking new Tomei exhaust. Let's go. Here we go. Oh my god, look at the bunch of stickers. Tomei, we're back. I will never get over how light a Tomei is. This is just paperweight. Obviously it is titanium, but wow, man. Okay, so this is obviously not exactly how it goes for obvious reasons. Pretty much just slapped it on to see what it's gonna look like, but obviously we also do have a Y pipe that connects to the exhaust, and that is, we got an ISR Y pipe from SoCallZ as well. I'm telling you, they got everything. Straight 3-inch down pipes into ISR Y pipe into Tomei. This car's about it. Oh my gosh. Oh, but of course, in case you're buying the Tomei, let me show you everything else that it brings. The big hanger, this basically goes around the tip and connects to the OEM hanger from the car. Obviously, we got two clamps that connect both parts of the exhaust. We do have a silencer, which neighbors, I don't know what that is. Swapping the engine was the hardest part. Now this is the fun part. Just a good old simple Y pipe. Oh my gosh. Oof. That looks good. This Y pipe, that stainless steel, is just as heavy, if not heavier, than the complete Tomei exhaust. I do need the Tomei Y pipe, but I'll get that later on. For now, ISR. Also, a lot of you may be wondering if the downpipes link up right to the Y pipe. Dude, look at this thing, yo. That's so cool. Hot. Off to a bad start. Okay, first thing I didn't really know, I guess I gotta take these off because it touches it. I posted on my Instagram story a picture of a Tomei, and everybody's going crazy. I didn't even say I had a Tomei. Follow me on Instagram if you haven't already, at RealDannyZ. Yeah, you. What is this even for, Nissan? When you put this on the car, we were like, wow, this is going to change the car industry. This technology right here is so valuable. Watch what's under this plastic piece right now. Watch this. Absolutely nothing. Nothing. This is actually heavy. I should have gotten the Tomei Y pipe. Get yourself a friend, guys. Don't be like me. The downpipes need to come way more out.
Like I ain't in it teed up, I turn them to vegan. I'm really a creature, she sent me the beacon. I beat it and flee it, they talk like these niggas won't beat me, they can't. I'm somewhat tucked off, I'm laid in the shade and I'm counting mine, still ain't made it. I'm jaded, my latest, my greatest, I ain't ever caving. They see me, I'm him, I'm a gym in the soil.
And this is actually the final piece before we get the car tuned. We got the fuel pump, got the intakes, and all we need is, well, the exhaust. Okay, if you don't like it, don't look at it. You don't gotta be talking mad crap and stuff. Just relax. Like, honestly, it's not cool. You do you, girl. You do you. All right, we gotta put this on. Question of the day. I want everybody, you're watching this, comment below what is your favorite exhaust setup on any car, your brand, custom, what inch. Let me know.
Just rather be alone in my zone writing poems. When I get in, I take a shower, read a book and feel empowered. Smoking on that sour got me counting down the hours, thinking of all the shit that they could do but won't allow us. Then I realized they all some cowards. The world is ours. Me and my brother twin like the towers, and we want it now, never later. No more favors done with all these traitors who be haters on the low. They just hate to see you grow, so I'd rather be alone in my zone writing poems, cause I'm never on the road, and I'd rather stay at home. And life been moving fast lately, trying to get a grasp, and every day I'm
Final piece here. Y'all hear that? What the heck? The Tomei's making a sound. What the heck? Trumpet gang! Actually, am I a trumpet? Wait, is there like a trumpet for VRs? What do we sound like? I'm confused. Here we go.
They told us stay quiet, better close your lips. We never thought we'd get our chance to speak. So we just stay grinding, trying to hold our chips, and thank God.
Beware of this mistake here. I actually put on this hanger backwards. So instead of the hanger pointing towards the front of the car, it's supposed to point towards the back of the car. That's why it doesn't sit perfectly right. It's supposed to sit mid-cannon, and it's sitting at the very tip.
So let us breathe in.
CX, you change, but a bunch of people feelings. Reaching for the top, and now I ain't got no ceilings. Pour me up a cup or two so it can stop the bleed.
Okay, I may have messed up because I'm supposed to put the clamps and then the springs over it so it can, like, you know, kind of help the clamps. I completely forgot and now that I put the springs, but I think I can like sneak in the clamps through here, so I don't think we fully messed up.
Because I felt mistreated, bad enough I don't hear excuses, trust me you could keep it. Saw it coming from a mile away once I peeped it. Caught up in that drama, mama, I don't get between it. They be trying to turn it on you, damn they really tweaking.
We broke, but we wealthy in ability and hopes fits. No, we only need the brokerage. We only overage, overseeing all the dope. Killing these cats with they facilities. Flush down the drain, leaning through all 8 lives till that become their centerpiece. Unfold and be a masterpiece at half of all our faculties. We actually don't, we just don't know the half of we.
So clean. And I just realized, or I just noticed the biggest difference between this exhaust and the 370Z Tomei. The 370Z Tomei hangs down a lot lower than this one, like a lot lower. Done. This is why I love the Tomei. I mean, it does sound amazing, but it's how the exhaust looks. I mean, just take a look at it. I mean, just look at that beauty. Just look at that yeet cannon. Oh my gosh, it's so good.
For a chance to breathe. They told us, stay quiet, better close your lips. We never thought we'd get our chance to speak. So we just stay grinding, trying to hold our chips, and thank God for a chance to breathe. So let us breathe in.
I am genuinely nervous because I don't know how this is gonna sound. Usually I go on YouTube. By the way, that's funny. Usually I go on YouTube, I look up the exhaust, I look up the car. I know what it's gonna sound like. This is like the Mutant Z, a Frankenstein Z. Oh, I'm hyped. Okay, here we go, here we go, here we go. Ah! Oh no, I'm putting the key wrong. Oh my gosh, that sounds so good. That sounds amazing. I used to hate how Q60 sound. That sounds so good. yo, there's this really cute girl. Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me. Could you film my startup over there? Could you? Like the car over there, could you film it starting up?
Yeah.
Wait, the car died. The car died.
The bird. Nice. Excuse me, is that an exhaust?
What do you think, you approve? All right, let's get some exhaust clips of the car. I'm also getting that sound, which doesn't sound great. While driving around, I noticed a weird inside of the cabin noise, like a vibrating noise. Turns out the white pipe is actually hitting the subframe of the car. Yeah, that tapping sound isn't great. I approve. As a man of idols, I approve. Let's see how the engine's holding up. I'm saying that as if like when I open up the hood right now, the engine won't be there. Engine's looking good. Intakes are still in place. Everything's looking good. Is that a Vr30 with a Tomei? Is that a Vr30 with a Tomei? With that being said though, I'm gonna end it off right here. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching today's video and all the amazing progress we have made on the Vr30 350z. Smash that like and subscribe because next up I believe we're exposing what's going in the front end. So speed limit is 30 miles per hour. We did not go past that, especially I can't go too crazy. I know a lot of you want me to go wow, bang gears. I can't do that because we still have to tune the car. If you're located in Florida or you want to tune the car, comment below, follow the Instagram at RealDannyZ, and like I said, subscribe so you know the next video we're uploading, the next banger. I love you guys. Peace. It's like 200 degrees. What are you doing?
Might as well get a chair and some popcorn.